What's up everyone? This is the new truck for the channel. So I don't have my Silverado anymore. Picked up this Powerstroke and it needs a couple things. First thing that we're going to do is a headlight restoration. We've got a Phillips headlight restoration kit. I have used this kit before and it works incredibly well. So I'm gonna hit this headlight. So the one on this side is very like it doesn't look that bad in the camera, but it's actually really pretty gross. It's yellowed and doesn't look good. The one on the other side I think has been replaced at some point because it looks brand new, but this one does not. On the side of the kit, it does show you everything that it comes with. It's got kind of like a pre-treatment cleaning solution that we'll get on there. I'll let you guys see what it pulls off of that. Last time I used it, it had a ton of yellow that came off with it. You then sand it. You've got 600 grit, 1500 grit, and then 2000 grit. And make sure you're wet sanding those. Don't do that dry. Then we've got a polishing or buffing compound that's in it as well, and then also a like clear coat that you put over it. So turns out really good. So let's get started. And that's after already cleaning it off. That's just what this stuff pulls out of it.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like
this last step is the most important step of the whole process. As you can see, I get all the edges first, and then you have to do long strokes. You can see I had to get a little bit more product on there, but I want to go long strokes and make sure that it's wet. Give it some time between coats, probably about 5 minutes. You can see I'm doing the second coat here, and on the third and final coat, doing the same thing again, getting all the edges, making sure you got plenty of product on there. You want it to be wet, but also not too wet. Now I can show you guys how good that side looks, because that one's brand new. And if you come over here, that's how this one looks, which it's not perfect. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see. Oh yeah, you can kind of see there. So there's a little bit of like spider cracking in the plastic. See, there's more right there, a little bit there, and then a little bit on that corner, but not too bad, and it turned out nice and clear. That completes the headlight restoration. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe and keep up on all the things that I've got coming for this truck. As you can see, I do have some bumper fitment issues, so I got to correct those, and a few other things that it needs, along with a lot of modifications. We will see you guys very soon.